guys, this is Ray, and I wanted to share with you something that's been driving me absolutely nuts, and that's how to add HTML to your Facebook page. Now, this is a constantly changing situation because Facebook is constantly changing how it looks and operates. So this may work for you by the time you view it, or it may not. I just want to throw that disclaimer out there. Let me close off my tweet deck before that drives us nuts. Okay, so what you want to do, for example, I wanted to add on my fan page a HTML widget in here. And so I downloaded all the different ones. There was profile HTML, there was my HTML, there was FBML for, I assume, Facebook markup language. That's the one that I'm using right here. When you click on this, for example, this is all HTML stuff that resides from within that program. Now the way you get there, and this was really jamming me up here, I could not figure this out. You go into the edit page section over there, and then down here you'll see FBML. Now what I wasn't realizing, and there's my profile HTML as well as my FBML. What I wasn't realizing is that half the time this thing would take me to a remote site that looked like FBML site that I would put code in, and I would hit update, but it never would populate on my Facebook page. What I just recently realized was you got to edit it inside of your edit page. So now I'm inside the edit FBML, and this is where I threw my code in. Now I use Dreamweaver for my coding, so you can see it here. I built this little table, and then I grabbed the language, everything that's within my table cells I grabbed, and then I dumped that information by, a cut and paste kind of thing into this box here. And I called it, you could call it whatever you want. After I did that, I just hit save changes, and then that information was rendered via HTML on this is my fan page. So if you click here again, you'll see that information right there. These images are all being hosted through WordPress.org, which brings up a good topic. If you want to learn about the differences between WordPress.org and WordPress.com, check out my blog. I have just released a report about the differences between the two. I kind of explain it all there, so check it out. I hope this information was useful. And before we go, we're going to check out the other one, just in case you wanted to see more about the profile HTML. The same thing goes with profile HTML. You click on edit from within your edit page, and then that's where you could dump the code in there. What I was doing, just so you can see, I was actually going into my profile HTML box by going onto my page first, and this is what was driving me absolutely nuts. I'll show you here if I could navigate back. Okay, I was going over here and I was saying profile HTML, and then I was clicking up in here and I was trying to edit it again by going to the profile HTML tab. Where is it? Now it's not going to let me do it. Anyway, I'll show you another view of it. I was going into it from this way, and I was thinking that this is the way that I had to update it. So I'd throw my HTML code in here, and then I would hit submit. It would say updating, your profile tab has been updated. But then when I went back to it, it never was. So it wasn't until I realized in order to even do my profile HTML, I had to go into my edit page again. And Facebook is not cooperating. Oh, there it is. So I had to go back into my Facebook edit page and then come in here and edit it from this standpoint. So I hope that little bit of information and a visual demonstration helps you understand how to implement HTML pages inside of your Facebook page. And like I said, this is current as of August 19th, 2010. Facebook is constantly changing, so be on the lookout for changes. If it doesn't work, there's a good chance Facebook changed something. Hope this information helped you. If you'd like more information, just go ahead and visit my blog. I got a ton of free information on it. It's raybryant.com. Have a great day, guys. Take care.